Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be filming more like just an eyeshadow look, a tutorial, and I'm gonna be using just one color, and that I'll be using from the Jackie Aina palette right here. I'll be using this, and I'll be doing like a purple shade. That's what I'm going for today, because I don't think I have a look yet that I'm like all one color. So if you want to see how I get this done, just keep watching. Also remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let us start. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my whole face, and I'll be using the Milk Hydro face primer. I just got this primer, so I want to know what the rave is all about. So I'll be putting this on all over my face, and I already moisturized my face and all that. Okay, so I'm gonna start off doing my brows first. I'm gonna do something really quick and easy. Okay, next I'll be doing my eye primer, and I'm gonna be using Tara Cosmetics eye primer. So this is gonna make like the color like more like vibrant. If you use like a clear white or bright color, it makes the eyeshadow pop more. Yep. That is that, and I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna be applying edges just right in my crease there. See what I mean? Like when you use a clear one, then it's like boom, right there. Then what I'm gonna do next is that I'm just gonna get a brush without any product on, and I'm just gonna blend right close to my brow bone there, just to soften it a bit more. Okay, good. So I'm gonna go in with a more like a precision brush for my outer corner, and I'm gonna be using the shade Credit. So it's more like a brown shade there. Just gonna put that in my outer corner here. So I'm just gonna creating the base for my shade. I just don't want to go right on and just put on purple. So that's why I'm doing all this step. Okay, still with a precision brush, I'm gonna take the shade Big Wig, and I'm gonna put it right in my crease there. I'm gonna put it exactly where I put Credit as well, so that it looks darker. It just makes that outer corner look darker. I'm gonna do that. Then what I'm gonna do next is that I'm gonna take the brush that I used to apply the first shade, which was Edges. I'm just gonna blend with the brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Edges, just a little bit, dust it off, and just gonna go right on the crease right there, just to soften it. So you want to hold your brush almost at the end of it, so it kind of like helps to reduce the pressure that you use to blend. So I'm gonna add another shade, and I want to do a cut crease with this because it has a little bit of shimmer, and I just want to do that. So I'm just gonna take my brush here and do a cut crease. I look up, and it kind of gives me the line where like to start or to end the cut crease, because like you don't want to put it too low, and then you look up and it affects the other shade. So I'm just gonna be doing that halfway. try and make that as smooth as possible. So I'm just gonna take a small eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna be using, so we're gonna let this dry off. You want to make sure it dries off so it doesn't just get sticky. And some people like to put setting powder on there, but I don't like to do that. I just kind of like dab till it's kind of like till it's dry. So you probably want to use a concealer that dries a little bit faster. So then I'm gonna go in with Shockington. I'm gonna put that. I have actually never used this in this whole palette. This is the first time I'm gonna be using that. So I like to just press on my lid, just so you can get that, you can get the full, you can get a lot eyeshadow on. Okay, so that is it. So I go in then with this precision brush. I go back with Big Wig. Go with Big Wig. I kind of blend it right there. I don't bring it all the way to the front. I just kind of right at the outer corner there. Going with the blending brush, more like a fluffy brush from the first shade, Edges, and I just, without anything on, I'm just blending. Got nothing on, just blending. Then I take my blending brush as well. This doesn't have any product or leftover on there, and I just, right here, I just blend because I don't want to have like a straight line of where I started and ended the eyeshadow, so I just do that right there. Sometimes I pull on my eyelid there just to get into those lines. Do that. Good. Then we're gonna keep blending till we're satisfied from blending. Okay, so I'm gonna go over and I am going to be using this to do my wing liner, and that is the Makeup Forever ink liner, one of the best. Okay, so it's kind of more like a longer eyeliner that I started off here, but I like it. So I always like to draw that line out there to kind of outline my eyeliner, so I know I don't go past that, and I just kind of bring it in. Guys, I've been breaking out so bad, I don't even know what to do. It's just like the month of breakout, like as one is going away, another one is coming on. Okay, so I'm gonna put my lashes on. And I always wait for my lashes to dry out a little bit before I use it, like the Lash Glue. I like it to dry out so it's easier to, what's it called, apply. So I like to push it right in the middle there. I place it in the middle, then it stays, because you have to wait for it to dry up a little bit, then it stays on more. Then I take the outer corner and I place it on, and I put the inner corner in as well. I place it in, I push it more, then I just go over and just apply my liner right on top of it, just close to the band right there, lash band. Okay, since I'm doing everything purple, I don't have a purple blush, so I'm going to be using the shade from this Anastasia and Jackie Aina palette. I'm just going to put Big Wig. I've never used purple blush. I hope this goes well. I'm scared. Purple blush it is. So a Big Wig on my cheeks there, and I have the Anastasia stain in potion there on my lips. Got purple on the cheeks. I'm just gonna go on and do my highlighter, and I'll be using the Mabelline highlighter here in golden. Put that on my cheeks. And we're gonna finish up with the eyes. I'm just gonna be using this paint right here. It's a purple paint, and I'll be using that with a black pencil for my inner liner there, because I can't use shadows anymore for now. So I'm just gonna darken that a little bit. So I just put the black pencil there in my waterline, and I'll be bringing this purple a little bit lower. Okay, and once that is done, I'm gonna take a blending brush, my brush here, with the shorter ones, and I'm just gonna blend it and connect it to the outer one there. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more to this look before we're almost done, guys. So I'm just gonna be putting a glitter, not like, yeah, more like glitter on, like underneath my eyes there. The precision brush right there. Just a little bit. So I'm also gonna bring this glitter right in my inner corner there. And we are done. So I'm gonna put the details of everything I used and the names as well. Some of them I don't know if it's gonna be discontinued. I don't know, because I've had this glitter, purple glitter, for a while now. This is actually the first time I'm like using this. So I'm gonna put the detail down, but I'm not sure if they still have this or it's been discontinued. So I cannot guarantee this. And I also forgot to put my mascara. I love to put my mascara on my bottom lash because it completes the whole look. So I'm just gonna spray my setting spray, and this is the final look, guys. I used a new primer. I did use a new primer. I did use a new concealer. Then I used a foundation that I haven't used in a really long time. I don't usually use it because then I have to mix two colors. So I did use that, and that's the Makeup Forever. I used both shade 177 and 178. It's the stick foundation. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and to my new subscribers, welcome. Please feel free to check out my other videos as well, and also drop a comment on my videos and also looks that you want me to recreate or do a tutorial on, and I will see you next time on my channel.